Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Desi Norita. Okay, today I would like to present about quality and agile operation. This is the definition of quality. Quality is the ability of product or service to meet the needs of its customers. There are three approaches in this regard. The first is user-based quality, where the quality depends on the audience. This approach is commonly used by marketing people and customers. Second, manufacturing-based quality, which is usually applied by production managers. In this approach, the quality of an item means meeting standards and making the product right from the start. The third is that quality is product-based, which views quality as a precise and quantifiable variable. This is quality influence. Quality is an important element in operations. There are three reasons that quality is important, namely 1. Company reputation. Quality will emerge as a perception about the company's new product, the habits of its workers, and its supplier relationships. 2. Product reliability. Courts continue to seek to prosecute organizations that design, manufacture, or distribute products or services whose use has resulted in damage or accidents. For example, Consumer Product Safety Act. 3. Global engagement. Quality is an international concern. The company's products that will compete in international markets must meet global expectations for quality, design, and price. Next, this is quality cost. It is the cost of doing the wrong thing, the price that must be paid for not conforming to standards. There are four main categories associated with quality cost, namely cost of prevention, costs associated with reducing the likelihood of a component or service being damaged, example, training, quality improvement program. Next, appraisal fee, costs associated with the process of evaluating products, processes, components, and services, example, testing, laboratory, and inspection costs. Next, internal failure. Costs incurred by the production of a defective component or service prior to delivery to the customer. Example, rework, scrap, and waiting time due to broken machines. Next, external cost. Costs incurred after delivery of defective goods or services. Examples, reward, items returned, obligations, loss of trust, and costs to society. Moving to the next slide, ethics and quality management. For an operation manager, delivering healthy, safe, and quality products and services to customers is one of the most important jobs. Lacking design and production processes, developing low-quality products not only results in higher production costs but also leads to accidents, lawsuits, and increased government regulations. If a company believes it has introduced a questionable product, then responsible action must be based on ethical conduct. A manufacturing company must accept responsibility for any low quality or contaminated products that they market to the public. There are many interested parties involved in the production and marketing of low quality products, including shareholders, workers, customers, suppliers, distributors, and creditors. When it comes to ethics, every company must develop a core value that is a day-to-day guide for everyone. Next, this is Total Quality Management or TQM. Total quality management refers to the emphasis on quality that covers the entire organization. From suppliers to customers, TQM emphasizes the commitment of management to get direction from companies that want to continue to excel in all aspects of products and services that are important to customers. This is benefits of the TKM program. TKM is very beneficial both for customers, institutions, and for organizational staff. The benefit of TKM for customer are 1. Having few or no problems with the product or service. 2. Better customer care or more attention to customer. 3. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed. Next, this is continuous improvement. TKM requires continuous improvement that includes people, equipment, suppliers, materials, and procedures. The basis of this philosophy is that every aspect of the company's operations can be improved. The end goal is perfection that can never be attained, but always strived for. Next, this is Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a program to save time, improve quality, and lower costs. Next, this is empowerment of workers. Worker empowerment means involving workers at every step of the production process. Consistently, the business literature states that 85% of quality problems lie in materials and processes, not in worker performance. Is benchmarking. Benchmarking is the selection of performance standards that present the best performance of a process or activity. Benchmarking includes selecting standard products, services, costs, or habits that represent the best performance of a process or activity similar to your process or activity. Next, just in time, or GIT. The GIT concept was created for continuous improvement and problem solving. In the GIT concept, goods are produced and delivered when they are needed or when there is demand. Next, the Taguchi concept. Kenichi Taguchi provides three concepts aimed at improving product and process quality, namely quality robustness, quality loss function, and target-oriented quality. Next, I will explain to you about Agile operation. What is Agile operations? The term agile operation is thrown around a lot among development teams and organizations, often with differing definitions. Some use the term generally to refer to the application of agile principles to run operations. Others use the term interchangeably with develop operations. In this context, we will use agile operations as an umbrella term to refer broadly to the application of agile principles and methods for both development and operation in an organization. What is agile? The Agile Alliance defines agile as the ability to create and respond to change in order to succeed in uncertain and turbulent environment. These are the characteristics that the founders of the Agile methodology sought to embed in their new approach to software development. Agile's highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Next, this is Agile benefits to improve operations. There are many benefits to taking an Agile approach to development and operations. 1. Greater customer satisfaction. Agile operations rely on constant communication and feedback with stakeholders. Because development is iterative and incremental, clients are able to identify requirements, changes, or the needs, resist and effectively build the product to their exact specification. 2. Increased project control. In traditional development methodologies, developers were constrained by a strict schedule with little room to adapt to evolving needs. Agile's iterative nature gives developers and clients alike greater control over the project and its outcomes. 3. Higher product quality. Agile operation integrates agile testing into your production process. And 4. Faster ROI. Instead of waiting months for a full product release under traditional waterfall development, Agile delivers features incrementally. This methodology allows customers to realize the benefits sooner while the product is still in active development. Okay, I think that's all my presentation. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
created using Powtoon.
Back in the 90s, IT projects were managed by the waterfall methodology, where the executed tasks cascaded from analyzing the requirements to designing, implementing, testing, and rollout. Although the approach was exceedingly structured and organized, clients were not satisfied. In fact, what was happening was that most parts of the projects were out of budget, time, scope, and quality, and clients were dissatisfied. Even when projects were on time, within budget and scope, and of good quality, clients were still unsatisfied. But why? Simply because what they asked for was not necessarily what they really needed. That was the case until some software practitioners created a set of alternative approaches. 17 of those individuals decided to gather in November 2001 in a ski resort in Utah, US, where they came up with the Agile Manifesto, a new mindset focusing on 4 values and 12 principles rather than on a predefined blueprint. These values are 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. And the principles are about customer satisfaction, embracing changes, speed delivery, collaboration, empowerment, effective communication, good metrics, steadiness, operational excellence, simplicity, self-organization, continuous improvements. Today, thanks to the 17 innovative visionaries, we can, through adopting the Agile mindset, embrace changes to improve performance and reach client satisfaction. Thank you.